Hey, corn dog. Guess what, guy?
Fuck you.
You gonna go around complaining like a little motherfucker? Shut the fuck up. You hear me, bitch? Shut the fuck up. I know you hear me. You're gonna go around bitching. Oh, she was so bad at me. Suck my dick. You little piece of shit on a stick. Who the fuck names themselves corn dog? You breaded penis. Go take it up the ass and go complain to somebody that cares. Alright? Internet is not the place to be when you're taking it in the ass, boy. Take your homosexualness out of MPGH. Alright? If you do that, you hear me? If we do that, you'll be good to go. See? Look at this. I'm going Nazi style right now. But you hear me, motherfucker? Do you hear me? Fuck you. You're not important. Okay?
Ooh, Lee Bammy, Lee Bammy. I'm so cool, I'm so cool. Look at me. I'm gonna get a leap band, cause I'm so cool. Yeah, you hear me? I'm so cool. Yeah, boy.
No, you're not. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, boy. Go take that little breaded corn dog ass away. Now, I got some things to do. So, remember this, corn dog. Fuck you.